What's the meaning of bench test? Bench test. Bench test.
Bench test. Bench test. A bench test is a type of testing that evaluates the functionality and performance of a component or system in a controlled, simulated environment. This testing method involves analyzing the behavior and output of a piece of equipment, such as a circuit board or software program, while it operates under specified conditions. Bench tests can be used to identify flaws, defects, or inefficiencies in a product, or to ensure that it meets certain performance standards. These tests are commonly performed by engineers, technicians, and quality assurance personnel prior to full-scale production or deployment of a system, and can help to improve product reliability, safety, and overall quality.